Ever wondered why a bat hangs upside down? Or why a flamingo can stand on one leg for hours without getting tired? These are just some of the fascinating quirks that animals possess, and we're here to unravel these mysteries. Let's take a closer look at bats. Contrary to what you might think, bats dangle head first not because they're showing off their acrobatic skills. It's actually because their wings can't generate enough lift for takeoff from a standing position like birds. Now isn't that something? Moving on to flamingos, these graceful birds have a surprising trick up their sleeves, or rather, under their feathers. They stand on one leg, not for the sake of balancing, but to conserve body heat. In the chilly waters they often inhabit, this one-legged stance is a clever strategy to reduce heat loss. So as you see, there's always more than meets the eye when it comes to our animal friends. Stay with us as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of animals. Did you know that the giant squid has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, measuring up to 10 inches in diameter? Imagine a creature that's as long as a school bus, with eyes as large as dinner plates. That's the giant squid for you. These denizens of the deep are among the most mysterious creatures on Earth, living in a world that's vastly different from ours. The giant squid resides in the pitch-black depth of the ocean, a place where the sun's rays never reach. This habitat is so alien it might as well be another planet. As you might expect, life in the deep sea is not easy. The giant squid, however, has evolved in fascinating ways to survive in this harsh environment. One of its most striking features is its enormous eyes. But why are they so large? The answer lies in the squid's need to make the most of the scant light available in its deep-sea home. Those giant eyes are designed to catch even the faintest glimmer of light. Imagine, you're in a completely dark room, and someone cracks open the door just a smidgen. The light that trickles in is about as much light as a giant squid experiences in its natural habitat. Those huge eyes help the squid detect prey, predators, and potential mates in the inky blackness. Despite their formidable size, giant squids are not the terrors of the deep sea that they've been made out to be. In fact, they're rather elusive creatures, and much about them remains a mystery. They're known to be solitary animals, spending most of their lives in the quiet solitude of the deep sea. Their size, their eyes, and their solitary lifestyle make the giant squid one of the most intriguing creatures of the ocean depths. As we continue to explore these mysterious parts of our planet, who knows what other secrets we might uncover about the giant squid and its deep-sea neighbors? From the darkness of the deep sea, let's move on to the bright colors of the rainforest. Imagine a creature with a tongue longer than its body. No, it's not a mythical beast, it's the tube-lipped nectar bat. In the dense, humid rainforests of Ecuador, this fascinating creature makes its home. The tube-lipped nectar bat, as its name suggests, has a tongue that is 1.5 times the length of its body, excluding the tail. This extraordinary adaptation allows the bat to reach deep into long tubular flowers to feed on nectar, a crucial part of its diet. When the bat isn't feeding, its tongue is stored in its ribcage. Quite the storage solution, wouldn't you say? This is an example of nature's ingenuity, creating unique solutions to meet the challenges of survival. But the tube-lipped nectar bat is not the only creature in the rainforest with remarkable features. There are many other animals that have evolved in fascinating ways to adapt to their environment. Consider the leafcutter ants. These tiny insects can carry up to 50 times their body weight. They work in large colonies, cutting leaves and carrying them back to their nest, where they use the plant material to cultivate a fungus, their primary food source. Then there's the glass frog, a small amphibian with translucent skin, revealing its beating heart and other internal organs. This transparency serves as an unusual form of camouflage, blending the frog into its surroundings. And let's not forget the sloth, a creature so slow-moving that algae actually grows on its fur, providing it with a greenish tint that helps it blend into the leafy canopy. The sloth's speed, or lack thereof, is actually a survival strategy, helping it stay hidden from predators. The rainforest is a treasure trove of natural wonders, with each creature more surprising than the last. Each one is a riddle waiting to be solved, a testament to the endless innovation of nature. From the rainforest, we now travel to the Arctic. The Arctic fox can survive temperatures as low as -58 degrees Fahrenheit. But how? These fascinating creatures have adapted to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The secret lies in their remarkable biology and clever survival strategies. Firstly, let's talk about their fur. The Arctic fox has the warmest pelt of any animal found in the Arctic, able to withstand the bitter cold of the Arctic winters. This dense, fluffy fur provides not only warmth but also camouflage. It changes color with the seasons, turning white in the winter to blend in with the snow, and brown in the summer to match the tundra's rocky terrain. But the Arctic fox's adaptations go beyond its fur. These animals have a unique ability to adjust their metabolic rate, which is the rate at which their bodies burn energy. When food is scarce, they can slow down their metabolism, conserving energy and reducing the amount of food they need to survive. This is especially useful during the long, harsh winters when food is hard to come by. In addition to their physical adaptations, Arctic foxes also demonstrate fascinating behavioral adaptations. They are known to follow polar bears, feasting on the leftover scraps from a bear's meal. This opportunistic behavior allows them to find food in an environment where resources are often scarce. And lastly, let's not forget about their small size and compact body shape. These characteristics minimize the amount of surface area exposed to the cold, helping them to maintain their body heat. Even their bushy tails serve a purpose, acting as a warm cover during those freezing Arctic nights. So, the Arctic fox's survival in such extreme conditions is a testament to the power of adaptation. Their thick fur, metabolic adaptations, opportunistic behavior, and compact body shape all contribute to their ability to thrive in the coldest place on Earth. Now that we've explored the coldest place on Earth, let's heat things up. In the scorching heat of the desert, the fennec fox thrives, but what's its secret? Well, let's take a moment to examine the marvels of nature's engineering. The fennec fox, small yet resilient, is a creature that has adapted perfectly to the harsh, unforgiving desert environment. With its distinctive oversized ears, you might think it's all about hearing the whisper of prey scurrying beneath the sand. While that's partially true, these ears serve a far more critical purpose. You see, in the oppressive heat of the desert, staying cool is a matter of life and death. The fennec fox's large ears act as natural radiators, dissipating heat and keeping the fox cool. That's right, those adorable ears are a personal air conditioning system, demonstrating nature's ingenious design. But that's not the fox's only trick. The fennec fox is a creature of the night, a nocturnal dweller. By resting during the day and hunting at night, it avoids the most intense periods of desert heat. It's a simple yet effective lifestyle adjustment that allows the fox to conserve energy and water, both of which are scarce resources in the desert. And speaking of water, how does the fennec fox quench its thirst in a land so devoid of it? Well, it obtains most of its water from the food it eats. Insects, small rodents, and even plants all contribute to the fox's hydration needs. It's a dietary strategy that underscores the fennec fox's adaptability, its ability to make the most of what little the desert provides. So, the fennec fox, with its oversized ears and nocturnal habits, is a testament to nature's adaptability. Its survival in the desert isn't just about enduring the heat, it's about embracing it, turning the harsh environment to its advantage. As we've seen, animals have found ingenious ways to survive in all corners of the Earth. From the dark depths of the ocean to the freezing Arctic, animals continue to amaze us with their adaptability and resilience. We've journeyed together through an array of habitats, discovering some of the most astonishing facts about the animal kingdom. We've learned about the giant squid, whose eyes are as large as dinner plates, allowing them to see in the ocean's deepest, darkest corners. We've met the tube-lipped nectar bat, a creature with a tongue longer than its own body, a trait it uses to reach the sweet nectar of certain flowers. We've also marveled at the resilience of the Arctic fox, capable of surviving in temperatures as low as -58 degrees Fahrenheit, and the fennec fox, with its large ears that help it stay cool in the blistering desert heat. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of animals. Always remember, there's always something new to learn about our fellow creatures.